Hey everyone, I hope you will like this and do subscribe for more sci-fi stories. In the distant future, Earth had become a desolate wasteland, forcing humanity to seek refuge among the stars. The United Galactic Alliance, UGA, had established a thriving colony on the lush planet Arcadia. However, an unforeseen threat emerged, a mysterious alien race known as the Echelon. Commander Alex Mercer, a skilled pilot and war hero, was tasked with investigating the Echelon's sudden aggression. Equipped with an experimental starship, the Quantum Seraph, he embarked on a perilous journey into uncharted space. As Mercer delved deeper, he discovered the Echelon's enigmatic connection to ancient Earth artifacts. Unraveling the mystery, he realized that the aliens were Earth's own descendants, transformed by a cosmic anomaly centuries ago. The UGA had unwittingly trespassed on their ancestral home. Torn between loyalty to the UGA and empathy for the Echelon, Mercer sought a diplomatic solution. However, a radical faction within the UGA, fearing the Echelon's power, insisted on a preemptive strike. The fragile peace hung in the balance. In a desperate attempt to avert war, Mercer reached out to Liara, a brilliant scientist among the Echelon. Together, they unveiled a dormant power within the ancient artifacts that could reshape reality itself, the Quantum Codex. As tensions escalated, Mercer and Liara raced against time to activate the Codex, hoping to bridge the gap between their species. The UGA, blinded by fear, launched an assault on Arcadia. The ensuing space battle was a symphony of destruction, with the fate of two civilizations hanging in the cosmic balance. In the heart of the conflict, Mercer and Liara successfully activated the Quantum Codex. A brilliant burst of energy enveloped both fleets, freezing them in a suspended moment. The fabric of reality warped, merging the past, present, and future. Mercer found himself on ancient Earth, witnessing the evolution of the Echelon from humanity's ashes. Through a shared consciousness, he experienced their struggle for survival, the echoes of which resonated in the present conflict. As the merged timelines unfolded, a profound understanding dawned on both sides. The UGA and the Echelon realized they were bound by a common destiny, their animosity fueled by a tragic misunderstanding. The Quantum Codex had become a bridge across time, connecting two civilizations separated by eons. With newfound knowledge, Mercer returned to the frozen battlefield. He convinced the UGA and the Echelon leaders to embrace reconciliation. The frozen moment thawed, and the opposing fleets withdrew, leaving behind a legacy of unity and understanding. The Quantum Seraph soared back to Arcadia, now a symbol of interspecies cooperation. The once hostile Echelon and the UGA worked together to rebuild their fractured relationship and chart a shared future among the stars. In the aftermath, Mercer reflected on the profound lesson learned that the answers to humanity's survival lay not only in the vastness of space but also in the threads of time that connected every sentient being. The Quantum Codex had not only saved two civilizations but had become a beacon of hope for a harmonious galactic alliance. Thanks everyone for listening to this. Do subscribe, it will help me a lot.